Hello guys, this is Maribel, and in today's video, I want to show you some basic Hungarian words that you can learn from me or from this video. So, stay tuned with me. Ezed for cream, ezed for kafe. So, most megyek, megmosom a fogam. Megmosom a fogam, meaning I'll brush my teeth. So, let's go. Mosom a fogam. I'm brushing my teeth now. Megmostam a fogam. So, I brushed my teeth. So that's the past tense. Most megyek inni. Vizet iszom. Finom? Ne. Most pihenek. So now I rest. És akarok filmet nézni. Unatkozok. I'm bored. Unatkozok. Tanulok. Ne. Lusta vagyok. Ennyi mára. So that's all for today. So if you want to see videos like this, just comment below.